It's time to explore the southern states of the United States of America. So, first stop, we've got Louisville, Kentucky. Second stop, Atlanta, Georgia. Third stop, Pensacola, Florida. Fourth stop, Birmingham, Alabama. Let's get it. Road trip in time. This is gonna be an interesting trip. I don't really know what to expect for this one. This one's definitely different than any other trip I've done this year. Yeah, we got like 8 states on this one that we're going through, or 2. First stop, Louisville, Kentucky. Here I come. I just peed in this McDonald's and it's like 85 degrees outside. It's freaking so hot. Yeah, I'm in Illinois somewhere. I hate driving here. I'm just not a huge fan of this state in general. What?
Mix whatever fibers are in them.
That's so wild. Am I going left?
Yeah, hold up. Money, make my own.
I've been a huge fan of the Ramsey show for my entire life, so it's kind of crazy just like being here, but their property is insane. They got this building over here, and then they got an event center up there. It's just beautiful here. I mean, the property is amazing. Like, just trees. They got like walking trails over there. Massive building, like offices, and the show's like right down there in that area. There's some landscapers landscaping. It's Saturday, so nobody's here. It's like empty. I'm like the only person here. Feels weird, but yeah, I've been to the Ramsey headquarters now. I can say that. I'm debt free! Dave Ramsey has a fishing pond, and I'm about to fish it. Yippee! This is a good sign. I think there's fish in here. There were 0 fish in that water, but at least I tried, you know? I took a shot. I missed. But there will be fish caught on this trip. There will be. I promise. I'm like lacking motivation to drive right now. I only have 3.5 hours to Atlanta, but I just want to eat food and lay in the sun and fish. That's all I want to do.
Record him so he can flex. Just let him drive like 20 feet.
Oh, those doors are insane.
I'll only drive if I'm dying. Oh, like 20 feet, man.
This couch has speakers under my butt.
Oh!
Dude, oh my gosh. The yo-yos, all the Pokemon.
Why go to Walmart or Cheers?
Each day I'm like, nobody's buying them? Okay, I'm just gonna keep getting them.
Everybody.
It's like, it's so surreal like seeing this, because it's like, it's so real.
It's in your face now.
Yeah, man.
I saw that one. Yeah, I saw. Oh, Van Gogh Peter. That's awesome.
I love it. We're in this just nice ass
Badass.
We're in this badass car and they're just looking
Check
at.
out my nerd shit, guys. Your nerd shit is my nerd shit.
No, the 400.
No, I wanted the old school one.
It takes 6 guys to get 1 crowbar.
There it is right there.
Oh my god.
Fuck this shit. That one. It's all about that, baby.
Very good at.
Treat the Hummer like a Tonka toy and got shit you niggas ain't seen before.
Different type of lobster.
Bro, put my balls down. Put them down. No, stop swinging them like that. Holy shit.
You gotta get some chairs for it.
Hey!
Baby, give us another one, baby. Oh, there we go.
Just a couple cards.
Just a few.
This is your bathroom and you're in college?
Well, can I get a oh yeah?
17, scan the QR code. They got big smiles on their face.
Bro, I was like, do this shit.
Oh my god! I'm gonna jump!
Yeah. How do you wrap it up?
Finished my first week of being in Atlanta, Georgia. It's been a lot of fun, been making a ton of content and editing a ton of these videos, and just learning from D how to like make videos and make YouTube content, and it's been just super awesome and learning a lot. It's Sunday today, and right now I'm heading to church. Obviously I've never been to this church before, but I'm excited for the experience. Should be cool.
Straight to the top, but we never gon' flop. Back to the trenches, we get it again. I got my guys on my side, and you know we gon' ride. Stay down, that should be very end.
I said, I'm taking the house name. I was like, so much fun. We're in the now.